More breaking inputs. This is coming in on a shocking note. Well-known advocate Babar Qadri shot dead by unidentified terrorists. This has happened in Srinagar. This is in the Hawal area. We have further details. Times Network Sohail Sehran is getting us those inputs here. Sohail, what more can you get us on this, please?
Well, this incident has taken place around 6:30 when Babar Qadri was, at his home. He was also a political analyst from Kashmir Valley. So, as per Jammu and Kashmir police and the inputs they have got, that two militants entered his house and he was shot dead there. Though he was taken to hospital, but doctors also declared him as broad dead. Now, this area, which is Hawal in, densely populated downtown, this area has been cordoned off by the Special Operation Group of Jammu and Kashmir Police as well as CRPF. And this is the second time when he has actually, when he came under attack. Earlier also, Babar Qadri, a year ago, he was driving towards home when he was attacked by militants. But this time, it said that two militants were there who entered his house and then he was shot dead by the militants. So now the investigation will be launched as who exactly was behind this attack, because yet no outfit has taken responsibility. So because this incident has taken place around 6:30. So thereby the area has been cordoned off. But as of now, no details as who were these people who actually killed him.
All right, so no details, no group having taken responsibility for this attack either. But as you said, the second attempt on attacking, unfortunately this time he succumbed, and this was an attack when he was at his home. Well, Sohail, thank you for getting us those details. Staying with Kashmir, terrorists shot dead a block development council chairperson. This is in Badgam district of Kashmir. He was shot at 7:45 p.m. on Wednesday and succumbed to the bullet injuries today. So he survived 24 hours beyond that attack. Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha has strongly condemned this killing, has condemned this attack here, calling it an attempt to spread fear by terrorists, vitiate the atmosphere and the attempts of peace and progress in the valley. Distraught family who is in a state of shock here of the victim Bhupender Singh. They're now demanding justice, saying that he had dedicated his life towards the development of Jammu and Kashmir, and this was especially towards youth welfare.
Terrorists in Kashmir Valley have once again targeted grassroots level democracy and development in the region. This time they have killed Block Development Council chairperson in Khag area and Badgam. Right now we are joined by the family person. Let's speak to them and find out. क्या information आपको मिली, क्या हुआ, क्या?
We got the information that they have shot that at 7 p.m. at Khag.
आपको लगता क्या है, क्योंकि वो लोगों की बहबूदी के लिए वहाँ काम कर रहे थे, डेवलपमेंट के लिए कर रहे थे?
डेफिनेटली वो लोगों की बहबूदी के लिए वहाँ काम कर रहे थे, पूरा अपना घर बार छोड़ के, अपने बच्चे यहाँ छोड़ के वो लोगों की डेवलपमेंट के लिए काम कर रहे थे। दोपहर में वो कैरम बोर्ड बांट रहे थे पूरे खाग में, और शाम को अपने घर गए, गाँव गए दलावशी, और पानी पी रहे थे, पानी पीते ही he has been shot dead.
So what you really want at this stage now?
Oh, we want justice.
If justice means
government, if government is doing for film industry people, government is doing for other peoples, government doing for other peoples, why should not government do for these peoples?
क्या चाहते क्या सरकार?
हम इंसाफ चाहते हैं, हमारे को इनकी पूरी जान चाहिए। हम गवर्नमेंट से, मैं लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर साहब से अपील करता हूं कि हमारे को इस चीज़ के लिए पूरा उनका समर्थन चाहिए। अगर ये कौम की बहबूदी के लिए वहाँ पे काम कर रहे थे, लोगों के लिए काम कर रहे थे, वॉलंटियरी काम कर रहे थे वहाँ पे।
He had been there taking care of the people. He was not concerned about his family member. Family members had been putting up here in Sani Colony in Jammu. But what all he wanted to do was he wanted to see that youth of Kashmir move in right direction. He wanted peace and prosperity and been working for them. Despite in fact so many problems when the sarpanches were targeted by the terrorists, he ensured that he will work in that area. But yesterday, while he went to his ancestral place, that was the time when terrorists came, they opened fire, killing him on spot. And right now family members want justice. When I ask them what justice means, they want that there should be proper inquiry, and whosoever are the culprits need to be punished.
Times Network's correspondent Pradeep Datta speaking to the family there, and Pradeep has also spoken to the president of the Jammu and Kashmir Panchayat Conference, and this is the observation that he's made, saying that within hours of announcing elections to fill the 13,000 vacant local body seats, the block development chairperson was shot dead.
Right now we are joined by President of all Jammu and Kashmir Panchayat Conference. आपके एक और साथी को फिर से निशाना बनाया, क्या वजह लगती है आपको?
देखिए, वजह एक ही है कि पाकिस्तान में बैठे हुए मिलिटेंटों के आका सैयद सलाउद्दीन हो, हाफिज सैयद हो, आजर महमूद हो और पाकिस्तान की ISI हो या पाकिस्तान की आर्मी हो, ये नहीं चाहते कि डेमोक्रेटिक इंस्टीट्यूशन जो है वो जम्मू कश्मीर